got our source images open in our other tabs up here at the top. So this is still our main image here, and you can see that this is in CMYK. And then our other two images, because we downloaded them from the web, are in RGB. So one thing to just, I'm reminding you guys to keep an eye out for is that when you bring these images in, you might see the color shift, especially maybe someone like this one where it has a very dark color or a very bright color. So how are we going to get these from here into here? So there are a few ways to do this, and like I will mention a few times, there's usually more than one way to do something in Photoshop. So I'll show you the different options, and you can choose whichever one works best for you. So the first way is to copy the whole image that's in the canvas here and to paste it into the other document. So this allows me to show you select. So here I can go ahead and I can select all, and it will then select the entire canvas. And so you can kind of see that here, there's a little dotted line that is kind of shimmering a little bit. If I turn off my transform controls so that I can kind of not see that bounding box, you can see the edge right here shimmering a bit. And you'll notice that my cursor changes as I hover over it or not, kind of showing what's selected. Now that things are selected, again, I can go up to the select area and you can see that there are different options available to me. I can deselect everything, or I could select inverse. Now in this case, since everything is selected, selecting inverse will do the same thing as deselecting. But I'm happy with everything being selected on my canvas, and so I'm going to go ahead and go to Edit, and I want to copy. You can see that the button for that is the same as it is for most things, so I'm going to copy it. I'm going to then change my tab like I am in my web browser over to my main document here, and then just go to Edit and Paste. And plop, it has plopped it into here. Now you'll notice that this was laid out horizontally and this is vertical. So if I go ahead and turn my transform controls back on so I can see the bounding box, you can see that that image, everything's still there. It's just that part of it is living off of our canvas. In our later demos, we're going to show you how to turn that and to make sure that it fills the page. Again, I'm just going to show you doing the same thing here for our vegetables. I'm going to go up to select. I want to select all, and then I'm going to go ahead and copy. I'm going to change over here, and I'm going to go ahead and paste. So that puts everything onto the canvas, but we're not going to end up using all of our vegetables. So in our next ones, I'm going to show you another way to do it, and I'm also going to show you how to just select part of the image.